Guys, welcome back. The 21st of November. We're going to take a look here at MOONWELL. Somebody wrote in the comments called Wrecked Well. Thought that was pretty funny. Anyways, MOONWELL, ticker symbol WELL-USD. This will be a daily chart, and the data here is derived from Coinbase. The pullback continues. We have now traded below and closed below 05459. That's this price level right here. So the market, it was holding as support. And again, that is an unknown time factor. The support and resistance levels, we don't know how long they will hold and act as either support and or act as resistance, but they are just something to keep an eye on as the markets approach. We are below that today. We are trading at a price of 53,118. It looks like we didn't quite get down the 04892, but we got close, and the markets are basically unchanged on the day here for MOONWELL. So we'll see. Maybe the selling is over. We're close. I mean, this little base previous area of consolidation that took place back in October, 14th, 15th, 16th. Looks like we broke out on the 18th. It found support at the 48.92, found resistance at the 54.59, same area to where we're at now. I wouldn't be surprised to see the selling potentially cool off here. We don't 100% know what's going to happen here. But judging by the way this candle is acting today, things look to be slightly drying up. Also, we printed another daily lower low yesterday, right here on the 20th of November. So far, we have new lows starting on the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and today's the 21st. I talk about this all the time. What I want to look for and what I want to see is this is the bullish scenario, is I want to see the markets stop printing daily lower lows. It's real important. If they continue to print daily lower lows, that's bearish. It's not bullish. The market will not turn and start to trade higher until that stops. You can rally on a new daily lower low like today. Today could end up being a monster day and rally. Doesn't always work out like that. Usually you'll print, let's call it tomorrow, which is Friday. Usually you'll print a higher low, and then if you're lucky, you'll get a higher high. That's quite a bullish scenario. You have a new low, you have a low that marks the bottom, and then you have a higher low that makes a higher high. It's bullish to see that. So that's what I want to see here. Until that happens, the only thing I have to go off of my charts is my price levels. So as the market continues to make new daily lower lows and approach new levels, for example, 54.59, we were above it, then we closed below it. That's bearish. We're below it again today. We also made a new low today. What do I look for? What's the next level below the market? 48.92. We didn't get there. That's okay. We might get there. Time will tell today. If we break below that, especially close below that, 42.829 is the next level I'm looking for. 36.3 down here, and so on and so forth. But I would expect this little consolidation here has released its energy, and it's just about played out to the downside. So we'll see if we get a bounce here. That's what I have here for MOONWELL. We can throw the fibs on here. If you guys like the Fibonacci's, let me find them. So we can throw the fibs on here. We can take, let's see if we can do this. We could pull from the highs down there to the lows. Those dates are the 3rd of October as well as the 26th of September. And this will give us some fib numbers above the market. So the 1618, the 2618, and so on. The markets are right at the 1618 fib level. You can see that there's a white line right under my white line, and that lines up very close to where the market is and very close to where the market's finding resistance now, which is at a fib level, the 1618 Fibonacci level. The next level is the 2618, way up there at like 08, very close to my level as well, 08058. Interesting how those line up. So that's the fib levels. So, again, you try to get multiple things to line up, and then you kind of make your decision from there. But keep your eyes on the 54.59 today. If we can rally above this level and close, that could be quite bullish. Even if we don't make a new daily higher high, it can still be bullish. So this level right now, the 54.59, is a level of resistance. If we get a close above it, now it's support. Let's look higher. What's the next level above the market? 64.83. So again, we need to stop making daily lower lows. That's how I look at these markets, guys. Every day, excuse me, people in the comments, oh, you were bullish yesterday, you're bearish today, what's going on, blah, blah, blah. Every day the market tells a story, all right? You can be bullish one day, and the next day can be ugly, and the market can turn on one day, and that's it. The bullishness is over. The same on the bearish side. You can have the market be bearish, 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 and all of a sudden you get a nice candle. Maybe it prints a higher low, maybe it prints a higher high. Boom, that's it. We're bullish. The bearish out the window and vice versa, bullish out the window. It changes very quick. Let me show you this right here. We have a very nice rally here off of a consolidation. Got all the way up to the 10.8 level, the 10893 level. This is a bullish day right here. The markets were up 15%. We got right to a level of resistance. Again, that's the 10.8, 108,937. We closed, let's see, I think we closed actually higher than that level. We closed at 109. That's still a bullish day, even though we closed right above a level of potential resistance, a price target. I mean, we take that into consideration. The next day, what was the next day? The next day was an inside day on the 30th of October. We made a new daily lower low, but we made a higher low. It was an inside day, but what we did, or what this MOONWELL chart did, is it traded up to that 108,937 level and closed below it. That's a warning sign of resistance in the market. And, hindsight, we can look back and say, hey, that was a great top. But on that day, that's a bearish day. And, if I was actively trading this, which I'm not, but I trade the futures using these levels, I would not be long this market anymore as of this day right here on the 30th. It's bearish unless you're going to go short, but no, not bullish. That's not a bullish day. If we closed above this level and made a new high, I would stay long. It's bullish, and so on, guys. So do you think the selling is drying up here today? It sure looks like it. Let me know down in the comments. Real quick, over to Bitcoin, we're up $3,119. We're above my price level of the 96,626. Wouldn't be surprised again to see that act as some resistance today. We'll see how we close. Keep your eye on the close today. Keep your eye on 96,626. Again, the highest price target I have for Bitcoin, doesn't mean we're going to get there, is $130,000. Might take a month, who knows? Time will tell. We might top out right here at 96,626. It is a very important level, and we are there. But, Bitcoin 100 grand might happen today. That is a big psychological level. That'll make great news headlines, etc. But this thing might not be done running until we get up to $130,000. What do you think? How high is Bitcoin going to go this cycle? Let me know down below. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Head over to my woodworking channel. Check that out. Go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in that kind of content, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.